Hi, my name is Corey. I am the Digital Marketing Manager here at Code Authority. We're going to be going over omni-channel marketing and how this kind of approach can help and benefit your brand. So omni-channel really just is a fancy way of saying utilize all of the channels available. Now, if you invest or trade stocks, you've probably heard the phrase, don't put all of your eggs in one basket. And that same principle can be applied to digital marketing. So I'm not going to reveal all of the strategies and methods that we employ here at Code Authority, but I will provide 5 tactics that you can use that are extremely helpful, extremely popular, and can definitely make an impact on your brand. So number 1, on-page SEO. There's a not so funny and slightly morbid joke going around the SEO community that if you want to hide a dead body, the best place to do that is put it on page 2 of Google. So statistics show us that roughly 75% of all traffic on Google does not advance past the first page of the search results. So companies are finding it extremely valuable to update, enhance their SEO so they are ranking as high as possible. And it's not so much to rank on the first page of Google as it is to rank highly on the first page of Google. Number 2, link building. One of the highly debated and most influential ranking factors on Google is the number of backlinks that are referring to your site. So backlinks really just provide authority and credibility to your website that your topic or web page is relevant, it's authoritative, it's actually information that people would read and digest and not just leave immediately because it has nothing to do with what they were searching for. Number 3 is paid ads. So this can be done on social media, this can be done on search engines. The benefit of paid ads is that you don't have to wait for SEO to take effect. This can be done immediately. And the other benefit is that you are putting your product or service immediately in front of your target audience. Number 4, social media. So we have done a number of blogs and articles on how social media is no longer optional. As we approach 2020, social media becomes more and more important to a business. It reflects your brand, your morals, your values. It's the second largest platform behind a search engine. So if you're not utilizing it, you're already losing. Number 5 is content marketing. So when you think of content marketing, most people will think of blogs solely, but this also can refer to videos, email marketing. There's a wide variety of content marketing. What this does is this creates value, allows your users to get a sense of who you are and what you can provide. So content marketing is extremely effective strategy used in digital marketing today, and it's one that we employ as well here at Code Authority. So if you take those 5 strategies alone and you can turn them into your own methodology, then you should be able to see a nice increase in not only your traffic, but the number of leads that you bring in, as well as the overall sales that you're receiving. If you're not implementing any kind of digital marketing tactics, you probably should. We're approaching 2020 and everything is turning digital. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, you can visit codeauthority.com, or you can follow and like all of our social media accounts. We have Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. We constantly provide a number of blogs, tips, etc. on how you can improve your business.